In this video, I will be showing you how to fix ambient mode not showing on YouTube. Let's get started. If you notice that ambient mode is missing or not working on your YouTube video player, don't worry, because the fix is actually very quick and simple. Most of the time, this happens because your YouTube appearance is set to light mode, and ambient mode is a feature designed to work exclusively when dark mode is enabled. To get started, I open up my web browser and click right on the address bar at the top. I type in YouTube and press enter to search for it. Once the search results load on the screen, I move my cursor over to the primary YouTube link and click on it to go directly to the YouTube homepage. Now that we are on the homepage, I move my mouse cursor all the way up to the top right corner of the screen and click on my profile icon to open the account options menu. In this drop-down list, I navigate down and click on the option labeled Appearance. This opens up the theme selection panel where you can choose between Use Device Theme, Dark Theme, and Light Theme. Since ambient mode requires a dark background to function properly, I click directly on the dark theme. As soon as I select the dark theme, YouTube automatically reloads the entire interface into dark mode. Now that dark mode is active on the site, ambient mode is fully enabled and ready to use. To verify that it is working, I browse the home feed and click on a video to play it. As the video starts playing, I move my cursor over the video player controls and click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Inside the settings panel, you can now see the ambient mode option. I click on the ambient mode toggle to switch it on. To see the visual effect clearly, I move my cursor down to the video timeline and click further ahead into the video to skip to a brighter scene. As the video plays, you can now see the dynamic lighting effect softly glowing around the video player, matching the colors on screen. The issue is now completely resolved, and ambient mode is working perfectly on your browser. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.